father left here not too long ago. He came to warn my daughter and I said we should stay away from you. You know us now, we're peace-loving people. And you're children so. So people, we have decided to stay on our own, but he can't go.
How could he say such thing about you and against her?
Like I said, we're peace-loving people. If a natural people do more come, come on, I'm no one. Because
please forgive me. Even my father said, please forgive me. Once I get home, I will trash out this issue and handle it very well.
So what do you want? Manacheta, if I may ask, what exactly do you want from this family? Baby, I say, what is it that you want? What do you want from my daughter? You need to give all wafa. You need to tell me, so I will know what I'm doing. We all know what we are doing here.
Mama, so by now you don't know my intentions towards Adelisa. I love her so much. I have strong feelings for her. Irrespective of the fact that she won't be teen or this I still love her.
Don't talk about Ezenna now. Ezenna is her ex. In her it's her ex. Okay. You talk about her ex.
Yes. But I still want to marry her.
You do?
With all my heart. I like the way she talks. I love the way she smiles. Everything about her.
I do not blame you. Because if she isn't my daughter, now we see another family. I will come and marry her now. I'm not telling you, but they waste the time. Hey, you know, my daughter Ada is an ideal wife for any man.
Yes.
She cooks well. She's beautiful, well-mannered. Ozifo Bunu. Chai. Obuye.
Mama. A city marriage. Yes. A very big and huge one. Yes. Talk of the town.
Oh, no, I'm assuming.
Yes. And I'm working towards it. And there's something I'm working towards. Once I lay my hands on it, the marriage will commence.
It will commence?
Yes, commence. I am a cheater, the money spender. I did some contract with the government. But the government pay me this money. Put the million to the marriage.
Government?
Yes.
Do they owe people?
They owe more than individual. You don't know.
Ada is inside. Ada doesn't go out. Ada is a calm girl. Wait, let me call her for you. Ada.
Mama, I love the way you call her.
I love the way you laugh. That is how I call her when something special is going down. Hold on.
What is the meaning of this madness? Have you lost your sanity?
I'm the one that is mad, and you're not ashamed of yourself. You left our baby at home, and you're hanging out with this.
Shut up your mouth! You are very, very stupid.
Yes.
And for your information, I am not your wife, and I do not owe you any explanation whatsoever.
For your information, you're the mother of my son, and I urge you to go back now. And go and look after him.
You are mad.
Mama. Yes.
You are foolish.
Yes.
You are insensitive.
Yes.
You are a foolish man.
Yes, you heard her.
Get out.
You are foolish. You are mad. Then Baba Punk. Then Punk Ego. Wait for me. Idiot.
I will show you.
I will show you how you fool with you. You are mad. You are a fool.
What kind of nonsense is this? Are you mad? What?
Michael. Yes. Ow.
Can you kill him?
Officer, this is the idiot. Take him away.
Hey, Cheta.
Young man,
will you shut up?
Officer, please. Take him away.
Officer.
Yes, take him away.
Officer.
Mama, just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Nonsense.
Run! Run now, your phone! Back on him!
What goes around comes around. Betrayals.
What now?
Your father at home.
He's not at home.
Huh?
He's not at home. What is the matter now?
Your father is not at home.
Gift, what is it?
There is problem, oh.
Where?
There is my brother. My brother is in Cheta and Adolisa called police for him earlier today. They took him to the station. My mother said I should come and fetch your father.
My father is not at home now.
Hey.
He'll come in the evening. Hold
Hey, stop right there. Stop! Have you seen what I meant? You fighting with Ezenna because of that second-hand woman.
Papa, that second-hand woman is my choice. My wife to be. Your daughter-in-law to be, my papa.
I have seen you have gone crazy.
Crazy?
Yes.
What is wrong with everybody in this village? Okay, you know what? I'm leaving this house for the city. I'm leaving you.
Better. Leave. Go back to the city. We don't need you. Go back to the city. Imagine. Because of that okrika. About a second-hand woman. You are fighting with your best friend. Love of your life.
I can see that nobody wants me in this village. You don't even need me.
Where are you going to?
Where is your father?
My father went to his maternal side and will be back in the evening.
Mama, what of Brazenna?
They've taken him to sell. Chichi.
Mama.
Please. Biko. Adolisa is your friend. Biko. Help me to beg her to tell Cheta to release Ezenna, my son.
See, Mama. Biko. The case is a billable case, okay? So when we get there, I'll talk to the officer myself.
Really?
Yes. So let's start going, huh?
Hey, God bless
I
you.
know someone there, so if I get there, you come on, Nana. Ma, let's go. Let's go, Mama.
Thank you.
You are my best friend. Nana, I will not deceive you. Your son Cheta went too far this time. Remember, Cheta and Ezenna, they all grew up together as brothers.
Ezenna deserves all that he got. He deserves it. As for my son, Cheta, I will talk to him. That is, if he has not gone back to the city.
What do you mean, if he has not gone back to the city?
It's Adolisa and her mother, Ndidi. Hey!
I have to leave from here. You know, it's getting late and my father will soon come back. I need to prepare dinner.
Hey, I was thinking you come home with us. At least, let me find a proper way to thank you.
Mama, you don't have to thank me specially. It's fine.
Chichi.
Yes.
I thank you so much. I don't even know how to pay you. Thank you for everything you've done for me.
It's fine. I'm also happy I could help you. Okay? Listen now, please stay out of trouble. Okay?
Of course I will.
And you take care of your brother. my brother. Mama, I'm leaving.
Now and us tomorrow. Is a get you as a such a woman. Such a woman.
If you don't want to give me the money I asked for, just let me know.
So what is important to you now is the money that you want me to give you. You don't care about my shop that is going down. You don't care about that one. I was telling you the other day that one counter is going down. Now it's 2. 2 is down. See, you are talking about the money you want me to give you.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew that you have someone else in your life. That is why you want to throw me out of your life. Obaka.
Amanda, stop talking nonsense. Stop talking nonsense. Yeah, all this thing you are saying, you know that I don't have another person in my life except you. It's only you, my shop, and my motorcycle that is in my life. Now my shop is going down. If my shop go out of my life now, people will remain too. And you are talking this thing. What I concern now is, my concern now is my shop.
That is not my business. If you don't want to give me the money I asked for, just tell me. Tell me, let me look for someone else to get it. What is that?
Why are you being unreasonable? So, the money is more important to you than my shop? Well, the only money that I'm looking for now is the money that I will use to stock my shop back. Let me come back to Obaka PLC. Because what I am now, Obaka LC, the P is out. So more time now, L will go. The C will remain. The meaning of C will become common. Obaka, come on. Please.
So Obaka, if you don't want to give me the money, just tell me. Are you going to give me the money or not?
I don't have money.
You don't have money. Obaka, you don't have money. No problem.
Come now, are you going?
To God, if you touch me again, to God, if you touch me again, what I will do to you? You yourself, you not like it. Touch me again now.
Okay. You are going just like that. Amaka? I want a disappointment. Amaka disappoints me. That is it. You see?
Hurry up, Thank you for coming. Adolisa. I'll see you son. No problem, I'll teach you a few. Let's go. Cheta, make sure you take good care of my daughter. Don't keep her awake in the night.
Mama, what would you like us to buy you?
My daughter knows what I need. I know everything. She will tell you, It's
okay.
That music has something. I salute you. Save Johnny. You know Nigeria.
With the girl, with the girl.
Hey!
What is love? Love one, but walk. Did the magazine, no money, no love. I never forgive her. Oh, there's a man walking on.
Yes, my darling.
I just took a piece inside.
Thank you.
I can see you admiring this.
Hi! I've been looking at that light all day. Very beautiful.
It's okay. I just took your things inside.
Thank you.
Enjoy. You're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I'm so lucky to have you.
I'm lucky to have you too. I'm having all these things.
All these things. Those are material things. They're all for you. Once you agree to marry me, all this becomes yours.
I can't wait then. I can't just wait to be called your wife. So that's name I get a mesh.
It's like
Thank you.
That's interesting.
Hi.
Looks like it will fill your eyes. I have more aesthetics inside than you see. Beautiful ones. Yes.
Can't wait. It's like I'm hearing a sound. Someone is knocking.
It could be one of those beggars. The gate man will handle it. Don't worry.
Beggars?
Yes.
They come here to beg for alms?
They don't come to beg for anything. Or my gate man will give it to them. I will take it back to my gate man.
You're a philanthropist.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm in here. Come, let me show you. Come inside. Come inside. You love it, right?
It's quite cool.
You love that big work club.
Very beautiful. And it's like you bought it from Obodo Igbo.
Of course, I import them. Everything is yours. See, you are not as beautiful as you are. Thank you. You are breathtaking.
Oh,
I'm lucky to have you, Angel.
I can see.
That is everything. I love it. That's my angel.
I'm still hearing that sound. Go and check who is at the door.
Okay, hold on. Let me go check who's at the door.
Okay.
No, don't worry. Just relax. Let me go check.
No, I'm coming with you.
Really?
Yes.
No, it doesn't matter. I don't want to stress you, my love.
Oh, Bimu, you are not stressing me. I always like to stay beside you. Hey, Naija.
I love you, smile. Sonia, what are you doing here?
Meaning what? Oh. So it's because of this trash. Eh? This is the trash you went to the village to pick.
Sagini.
And Shatana.
Who is this mad woman? Why are you calling her trash?
My friend, shut up your mouth! Are you mad? You the crazy. You the mad! You're stupid! You are very stupid! You're senseless! You're a stupid shut.
Wash your tongue, Sonia!
Are you mad?
Sonia, wash your tongue!
What will you do?
What kind of nonsense is that?
Shatana, what will you do? I should wash my mouth.
Ha!
Okay, because of this thing.
Kitala. Mad fellow. Who is this fool that came in here?
She's just one of the girls that picked along the way and make yourself and I don't have. But I'm sorry for saying that.
No, you're welcome. I don't have issues with that. Just permit me. Who sent you to come?
No, don't fool yourself with her. This is a whore.
Idiot. Is it that? You're a fool.
Shatana, you are very stupid. You are mad and senseless. So because of this thing,
Ashawo,
you've been acting.
Ashawo,
you've been acting like a child. Huh?
Because of my wife here, I will take my coup. I will take my coup because of my wife.
Very good. Let her hear it. Your wife.
My friend, lose it.
I should listen it.
Because of your wife.
Sonia, I should listen it.
Who am I?
Oh my God.
Who am I?
How can you calm down?
You are just one of those girls I met along the way and make use of you and I dumped you. That was all. Baby, like, once again, I'm sorry for that.
You don't need to.
That was the past.
Shetana.
You don't even need to apologize. Allow me to beat this lunatic.
No.
Allow me. Wait till you talk.
Leave my house.
You don't know me very well.
No, honey. No, don't touch my wife. Don't touch my wife. Leave my wife. Leave my wife. Honey, please. Honey, leave me alone. Honey, no. Honey, leave me alone. Honey, no. When you don't fool yourself. Honey, baby.
Let you love me, baby. I'll do it to
Ego, how are you?
I'm fine. She's fine.
Actually, I came to say thank you for all you've done for me. Thank you so much.
Not again. You'd have brought a goat now. It's okay. Wait. Is there something I'm missing out on? Nothing. You didn't have to come again to say thank you. You've done that over and over. It's fine. It's okay. Chichi, is there something you both are not telling me? Eiko, please shut up. Okay.
Anyway, I came to, since both of you are Adolisa's friend, I came to tell you, please, to help me beg her. Okay? Help me talk to her. You know how much I love her and I'm ready to do anything to make her happy. Okay? Be cool.
Sorry, my dear. Adolis has gone to the city with Chita. And as soon as they return, they will start their marriage preparations immediately.
Ego.
Sorry, my dear.
How sure are you about this?
Ada told me herself. Don't mind that, she likes saying rubbish, okay? Huh? You don't have to believe everything. Don't you believe in fate anymore? See, what is yours will always come back to you, okay? Don't mind her.
Wait. Did you see them going to the city together? And when?
Doubt me, you can go to their house and confirm things for yourself. Isn't that... Isn't that... See, what is wrong with you, Ego? Eh? Why are you doing this? He has to know the truth. What truth? Did you have to do that? That he has lost Adolisa to the highest bidder, which is Cheta, the rich guy. Shut up. Shut up. Money. Is it because your name is Ego? My dear, everything that glitters is not gold. Just the way you're glitching with a bad character. See, I hope she doesn't regret that. I hope she doesn't regret that. I know she won't. She's my friend. I know she won't regret it. I know that. This girl. You can leave. Wait. Get out. Go. You won't see me up again. Get out. Whatever.
Cheta, please, kindly leave my way. I need to go. I need to leave this house now.
Baby, I try and hear me out first. Just hear me out. Please.
I should hear you out.
Yes.
Give me one reason why I should hear you out. You were there when that stupid girl was insulting me and you did nothing. You allowed her to fight me. No, even though that I was the strongest, she would have beaten me.
I never wanted you to fight her. No, I never wanted you to fight her. Please, take it easy on me, please. If you're acting like this, you're hurting me. Yes.
You and I, who is supposed to be hot? I'm asking you that question. Please, can you just leave my way? I don't want to be angry. I want to go.
Please, it's getting late. Just stay for the night. Tomorrow morning you will go.
I will not stay here. I will not spend 10 minutes here. I need to go.
I don't want you hurting me.
My mother said she wants me to come back. I cannot sleep here.
But your mother knew very well that you were me.
She still told me that she doesn't want me to sleep here.
Why you hurting me? It's me, Cheta, your love. You're hurting me.
I'm hurting you.
Yes.
Oh, I have to go.
I know you have my son in there. You pushed him to fall in love with that your prostitute daughter.
My daughter, prostitute. So what you can call her whatever you like, but at least your son is in love with a prostitute. And that is all that matters. Nonsense.
Do you think I don't know what you did to Ezenna? You and your daughter. You pushed Ezenna to sell his land. And after selling the land, you pushed him away. You think you can do that to my son, Cheta? And even your second daughter is doing the same thing to Obak. You pushed the poor boy to sell off everything in his shop. And now that shop is empty. You think I don't know?
Did they complain to you? What can I was? You go about asking, collecting information. Is it your business? So now they've reported to you. What will you do? Mind your business, Roken.
I will never allow you to do that to my son, Cheta. Bring him out now.
Ezioku. Your son is not here. Please go. I know you're here to fight. The tiger, go to your house and fight. Okay. No, I'm not talking yet. You will hear from me. You go to your house and fight, tiger. Go and fight with that your wife. Let us have point and so you think I will touch you. Then you have to come about who throw you over the fence. Nonsense. Then you fighter. See the way to your house, so I'm not coming in there.
Must you remind me of my wretchedness?
Elena, what is it again?
Again.
My husband. You know you are both my husband and son as well. I hate to see you in this situation. Una, what is troubling you?
Talk to your mother. Ogini.
But please, I'm thinking.
Thinking what? Thinking what, brother? But I take it easy, you. Take it easy. You know it's BP that killed Papa. We don't want to lose any other person, no.
Nobody's losing anyone. I'm just thinking about my life. I think I have to leave this village because there is nothing for me in this village anymore.
Nah, this is good news. This is good news. I'm so happy to hear what you just said now. Hey! In that case, I will call my cousin, Cosmas, first thing tomorrow morning. Oh? You know?
The CEO of Cosmas Group?
Yes!
Hey.
He said whenever you have made up your mind to leave this village, I should call him.
Hey, Mama, why didn't you tell me that he's the one you've been talking about? Why didn't you tell me?
Cosmas or the Zebua? I have just one Cosmas. My first cousin.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Besides, why didn't I tell you? Did you just say? When you don't even want to hear anything about leaving this village. Now, all your attention was just on Adolisa and her mother. I'm happy you're thinking right. Don't worry. It is better late than never. Oh?
Thank you for this information.
It's still right time.
So that's so you can eat your food now.
Eat, nah. What do you look at me?
I mean, why is Adolisa acting up? Why are you people back so early?
Mama, just smoke something. Small quarrel. She refused to hear me out. It's for her house. We can't talk.
No, it's okay. Just let her be. She's usually like that when she's angry. But don't worry, I will talk to her. You can go. Just go and rest. I will talk to her.
I should go?
Come on here and find out whatever. Now, calm down. Don't worry. Don't worry.
So what? I'm very sorry. Because I promised you that I will buy one of things. I didn't buy anything again. So Mama, manage this one. Just buy. Mama, just buy anything you can with this. Buy anything you can with this one. Please, Mama. Please give this one to Alexa. Tell her to buy anything with this.
Hey!
Mama, please, see what she can.
Wait, her own is the small one. My own is this one. So I will not. I'll put her own under.
Okay, Mama, please. Tell her to call me so that my wife will come down too. They tell her to send her account number so that I'll send her money.
Hey, I will do that, but you know she's still angry. But not to worry. If she does not give me the account number, I will send my own. So you want to transfer to me, I will hit her own with their left.
So if I send money, you give to her. Better, no problem.
You know can go.
Mama, I will be very direct.
The city.
I don't think I'll come back to this place again.
Hi, Ogo Buchionya, but please, before you embark on that journey, make sure you send the money.
I will send
so that her heart will be pumping for you by the time you're coming back from talking. That's my job.
I love her so much. I love her so much.
I know. Ogo Buchionya, you get me in a simple line. Ogo Buchionya, don't worry, this it's okay.
Baby, I'm going.
Baby, he's going. I will talk to baby. Ogo Buchionya, Ogo Nasuna, drive safely as you go back home. Greet your mother for me. Send my salute to her. Ogo Buchionya, can one small one. Ogo Buchionya, Adolisa, no. Oh, why are you angry with our mama?
Nai, my son here has something to tell you.
If he has anything to say, let him say it. I'm all ears. I'm listening.
Uncle, I want to tell you that I'll be going to Lagos tomorrow.
You see? This is what I've been complaining of. You have planned to go to Lagos since, and you are coming down to tell me. You people don't have regard for me at all. You don't have regard for me as your uncle. That's why you are coming down to tell me. Well, I know what you are looking for, but whatever it is, I know it is transport fare. I will not give it to you.
No. Nai, we're not here to ask for money.
Ezenna, tell him why we are here.
Uncle, I came so that you give me fatherly blessings as I go to Lagos to look for my destiny and my better future. It will be well for me.
You want fatherly blessing? What do we say? What do we say?
Cheta!
It shall be well.
Cheta, my son! Go. Cheta, one!
Is it not blessing you want? Have I not given you a blessing?
Thank you,
so why are you still here? Go to Lagos. Let me see how you succeed and come back with this type of motto that Chetamwam came back with. Go to Lagos.
You should have just let me handle that guy long time ago. But you were a funny boyfriend. You see, that guy is a bastard. God. No.
Chetana, I will deal with that guy. Babe, I will deal with Cheta. He thinks he can use me and dump me like that. It's not possible. I will deal with him.
See, babe, if you ask me, I will just tell you to forget about that guy. Let that guy go. Better things they come. That guy is a bastard, an asshole. Yeah, just let him go.
You better say something they worry you, Abi. You don't dey crazy. I should let him go like that. For waiting. Cheta must collect. Me, Sonia. I should let him go just like that after everything. Me.
Babe, see, I understand what you go through.
No, you don't understand.
I understand. They feel your pain.
You don't understand.
They feel your pain. Yeah. Just let him go. Better things they come. Yeah, not for my hand. Don't cry.
Which nonsense cry? You talking? I know they cry.
Don't cry. Yeah.
But I will deal with that guy.
I know. No worry. You know, be strong, babe.
No worry. We'll
deal with. I no cry again. Yeah. If you cry, you fall my hand. Don't cry.
I'm not gonna fall your hand. But I will deal with that guy. You see, Cheta? How many years? You just dumped me for one nonsense girl.
See, it's not worry. Calm down. Good things they come.
Babe, you know don't understand though. You know don't understand.
See. Don't cry now. They cry now.
I know they cry.
Don't cry. Yeah.
I know they cry.
No worry. Things go good. Don't worry.
I will deal with that guy.
Don't cry. You're not strong,
cry.
Babe.
You too, calm down.
What are you doing here?
I've come to pick my things.
I will get your cheap things for you. But please go outside the gate and wait for me. I told you to wait outside the gate.
Come on, baby. How can I wait outside the gate without missing you so much?
Stop all this! Is this how people die? I'm in trouble. How can I carry handcuffs out of this place? My gate man. And the police. Yes, I'll pay him off. But, baby, hey! I'm in big trouble. I'm in big trouble. Cheta! Let me sit in my life now first.
What is going on? Why is she not picking? Or did Sheta caught her hiding those drugs inside his house? No. Or are they making love? I think, should I just call the police? No. If I call the police, my friend Sonia will be in trouble too. No. Let me just pretend and go inside and just pretend as if I want to see Sonia. No, Cheta is not a fool. She's not that stupid. Let me just keep calling. Maybe she will pick.
Oga. My Oga!
Hey, stop this.
My Oga!
There's no time for this wrong thing. Take this.
Take it. This is 100,000 naira. I'm paying you off. I want you to go to your room, pack your things, and leave. Never come close to this compound again. I am traveling, and I don't know when I'm coming back.
Okay, this one you are paying me off. Oh, give him another logo. Give him me. Hey!
Austin, am I speaking Swahili?
Don't
you understand what I said? I said, take this money, leave, and I'm paying you off. I am traveling, I don't know when I'm coming back.
Okay, where do you want me to go from here?
Okay.
I'm a motherless child.
I'm going inside now to get my car key and leave. If you stay here, whatever you see, you take it.
Hey! Chineke! Oga! Hey, Jesus Christ. Hell! Where will I go from here? Jesus! 100,000. 100,000. The money is still big, sir. I will go to Gagas. I'll spend like 20k in Gagas. Zenith. Let me just use 20,000 and just go and relax at Gagas.
Hello? Emeka, where are you? Please, leave whatever you are doing and come to Eagle Street number 10, please. Yes. Please, I don't know. Me and my friend, we had a deal. And I don't know, something is going on with her right now. I'm in her boyfriend's house. Yes, please come. Please, Emeka, don't ask me how long. Even if you aren't staying here till the midnight, we're going to be here. Please, just hurry up and come. Please. Okay, please, I'm waiting. Thank you.
show you something very important. Let me just quickly show you. Papa, look at this car. This car. Do you like it?
This one?
Yeah, this very car.
It's good.
Okay. Hold on. What about this one? This other one?
Hi! This is... Hi! This is Peugeot.
Good.
Peugeot!
Good. Papa, as I'm talking to you right now, I have paid for these 2 cars. They are on their way to the village. These 2 cars are for you and Mama. And the sum of 500,000 naira will be transferred into your account. But on one condition.
Hey! Whatever the condition, just say it. If not because of you, I will do it because of this car and the money accompanying it.
Good. Good. Papa, I want you and Mama to accompany me to Adolisa's house tomorrow.
He killed my girlfriend and dumped her body on the roadside.
Hey! Officer, move! Maybe it was a mistake! Papa!
Did you do it?
Move! It was a mistake! It was a mistake, baby! Papa! Police! Is not something we can settle here. Police! He did somebody mistake! Is it not something we can settle here, police? Let us settle! Let us settle! He did somebody says mistake! Mistake to keep person! Mistake! Mistake, yes, mistake.
Go. 50,000 naira. How many notes? 100, 1,000. You see, this is the kind of husband I want for my daughters. Not that better than shishi. That's why it's not. Once he makes it, yeah, he had better hurry up because Obaka has made it. If Ezenia was as rich as Obaka is today, I would have let him marry your sister now. Go count the 50s first. Yeah, not for the 20 naira. Oh wow, not today. Give me 50s, let me be counting. Count 200s. Amen, man. Hey. Mama! What is it? Mama! Hey, Mama! What happened? Mama, Sheta! Mama, police! Hey. Mama, police came and arrested Sheta. Mama, they came and arrested him. They said they killed the woman in his house in the city. Mama, tell me the truth. Mama, they're not taking him to the police station, no. Mama, they're taking him to jail 7 years. 7 years, Mama. Mama, 7 years, oh. Hey, Mama, no, now. Mama, stop. Mama, stop now. Hey, Mama, be good now, Mama.
this?
Did I drink with your It is meant and I can drink anyhow. I've rendered me useless.
Ubaka, it's really wicked, Ubaka. Are you mad? No.
Yes, Aka. Please take this and go and buy a biscuit for them. Oh, rush.
Money not get enemy. If you let go, I will go enemy mancha. I want my go one favor. They go or they go well enemy. Money not get it back. Ega maka. Mana echikwane go megida moye nechi ime. Kima legacy ima Abuja. Ega maka. Mana echikwane go megida moye nechi ime. Ile le bicycle ile le motor. Ega maka. Mana echikwane go megida moye nechi ime.
So Ubaka did what to you?
Before I knew what was happening, Mama, Ubaka began to beat me. Oh, my body is paining me. Oh.
Hey, Ubaka laid his cursed hands on you. Ubaka even with his cursed hands, inflicting pain on this body.
Mama, I'm not sure that man loves me. He doesn't treat me as his wife.
Ha! So love and I go more. No problem. That Ubaka, I will teach him a lesson he will never forget. We're going to Ubaka. I will deal with Ubaka. Get up. Let me see along the alley. Get up. Let us go and meet Ubaka. Okay. I'm going to be my brother. No, let us go. Let us go.
Which person, Mama?
Cheta, only Furia.
I didn't see anybody.
Does it mean he's out of jail? But he's supposed to spend either 14 or 15 years in jail.
15 years, Mama.
And he has only spent 7. Hi, I wish I can run after that bike. Eh?
Mama, this is one of my cars.
It's not one of your cars.
One of my cars, Mama.
Eh? So something good has finally come out of this family. Hey! A rejected stone has become the chief cornerstone. Eh? Nah.
God has finally done it.
He has done it.
You remember the name you have forgiven me?
Ezenaya. Ezenaya! Odogu. Hey! Agamebulu hallelujah, buru.
He's wonderful. He's wonderful.
Agamabara hallelujah, para.
Come here. Look at the wife I gave you to have.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What time you beat up your wife? Eh? Woman beater. Did I give you a wife to beat her up in Apuala? Eh?
Mama, have you finished?
Meaning that I am a backing dog in your father's compound. Up where? Up where?
Mama, I didn't call you a dog.
But that is what you imply by keeping quiet.
I didn't call you a dog. You're embarrassing me in public. You're embarrassing me on the road.
On the road?
Mama, this is not good, though.
So when
you're embarrassing me.
When you were beating your wife, you didn't know you were embarrassing her. Now beat me. React and let me tell you, if you don't do anything, that means you're not a man. Come on.
Amaka, have you seen what you cost? Have you seen what you have cost? Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
You're running.
Eh? Do you dash wife in your village? In your family? Do people give wife on credit? I am no longer married. Take her away. Let her go. Let her go.
Also. Eh?
Mama.
My hands are clean, Papa. My hands.
Hey! This is you, Cheta.
It's you. My hands are clean, Papa.
Hey!
It's me, Mama. My hands are clean.
Woman, stop crying.
Mama, stop crying now. You know if you are crying,
I'll
be crying.
You people always know how to trivialize issue. Eh? Even when good thing happen, you cry. When bad thing happen, you cry.
Mama, stop crying now. You know if you are crying, I will be crying. Mama, stop it now. Thank you. Papa, I was lucky to be among those that was granted amnesty by the president.
Eh? Yes. Amnesty!
Nice.
Amnesty!
Yes, Papa.
What is amnesty? Amnesty is when you commit an offense against the state. It is only the president that has the right to give you amnesty. Oh my God! Amnesty! Hey, people, come and see my son. My son, I know it. I know it. That my son's hand is clean. My son is innocent of this offense they are accusing him of.
Innocent, Papa.
Can you imagine?
Innocent.
In fact, I am going to see the parish priest now.
My flesh and blood.
Listen.
The allegation they gave to my son is too much.
Woman, stop crying.
I never knew I will see my son again.
Allow him to go and freshen up. Stop crying.
Even if you are crying, I will be crying. Papa, you see the kind of food they give to me there, Papa.
Ha! But they gave you amnesty. Because of this amnesty, I am going to meet the parish priest to book mass for you. It is not easy to get amnesty. Hey! My son giving amnesty.
Papa.
Go and give him better food, good food to eat. I'm freshening up.
It's okay.
I am going to see the parish priest for amnesty. This amnesty is too much.
It's okay.
Hey! Amnesty! Amnesty!
Money no get enemy. If you let go, I will go enemy manja. I want my go one efego. They go, or they go well enemy. Money no get it back.
Nana, I have been calling you now, Nana. Where are you hurrying to?
I'm going to the parish house. I want to see the parish priest because I want to book mass for my son, Cheta. He's among those the president granted amnesty.
Hey, Ezoku, a lot of good things are happening. Your late brother's son, Ezenna, he came back with very big car and he has been giving widows 20,000 naira each.
Are you sure of what you are just telling me?
Nana, when you come back from your visit to the parish, you can come and join us. I am making arrangement with elders, some elders now, so we can go and get some of that is get our own portion of the cake. Yes. I thought you were going to the parish priest to see the parish priest.
Yes, I forgot something at home. Let me go and settle that. I'll soon go.
It's okay.
If not for God, what will I have done? It was a good job. I don't know what to do.
It's a feast. George,
family, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. Okay?
God
make your family happy.
Amen. God bless you.
Make your family
bless
happy.
you.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Go and enjoy yourself.
Oh, Mama, what is it now?
Cheta, where are you rushing to? Eh?
Mama, I want to go see my wife. Let me go and see my wife.
You want to go and see your wife?
I'm not seeing her.
Is that why you're rushing out? Eh?
Papa.
Ichie, why are you so back so early? What the Panama?
Papa.
I hope all is well. Ichie.
Obioma's son is back.
He
came back big car. Lots of money. In fact, the whole village is celebrating him now. Eh? He is giving widows 20,000 naira each. Even the elders, all of them are mobilizing to go and greet him. common as a nine. Ah.
9. Is that why you came in and you are just shaking your leg as if something great happened on 9? Hey, Che. Let me tell you. One thing you should know is that you don't know how Ezenna make that money. We knew how Ezenna started in this village. Ezenna was nobody. He left this village wretched and frustrated. Then why are you celebrating him now?
Papa.
Eh?
Papa, are you sure of what you are saying? If you are sure of what you are saying, then how could he possibly make that kind of huge amount with him? Or is he into ritual or drug dealing? Yes, he must be into ritual or drug dealing. That is the only way he can make such a huge amount in a short period of time.
Have you heard?
You may be right, Jetta. But whatever it is, let us keep our fingers crossed. Oh yes, very soon the wind will blow. And then we shall see the anus of a fowl.
I have always known Ezenna to be this desperate to make money. But becoming a ritual, drug dealing, it never came across my mind. I never thought of it at all. Hey, Ezenna.
Why now? Eh? Why now? That Ezenna is going up and my son is coming down.
Don't say like that.
I'm coming.
Cheta, come! Come, my son! Cheta, come!
Where are you going? Looking so frustrated.
If you gonna get me some
very contest for him to now he has just
Well, you people manage.
Hey, well, thank you.
Dikeh, come and see your daddy. Oh, hey! My son!
I'm not referring to Canada.
What done for me? No, see my son! Wow!
Mom, I don't understand. You don't understand what? What is all this daddy all about? Eh?
Didn't you see how excited he was? If you go Dikeh, he's the real channel through which we can get to Ezenna.
What jackpot are you talking about?
What are you talking about? This man will start taking care of you
Mama,
and the son.
Mama, I am tired, honestly. I am honestly tired of your manipulations. I don't want them anymore. I mean, can't you at least allow me to take care of my life for once? Let me be the one to handle it. Why have you been tossing me about like I'm a child?
Tossing you about? I become waves and I toss to sheep about. I don't like this kind of talk. All you have to do is look at your mother and learn.
No!
No, yes!
Mama, please do not tell me to learn. Ever since I've been trying to learn, I have learned nothing from you.
Because you have not been smart. Let me even go outside and see.
Mama, Mama, Maria, you go too much. They've given you money. What are you going out there to do? You're not going anywhere.
Mama, I'm going out there.
Mama, respect your no way. Respect your no way. The amount of money you have in your hand, yet you still want to go outside.
Let me just say bye-bye to him now. Okay, let me bring Dikeh back. You might kidnap him.